So,
No more.
if you have a low homework score, complete page 214 for 1 point extra credit. You can complete it even if you don't have a low homework score. You can complete it anyway. So,
Which is
a spiral notebook is a piece of you just use paper. Okay. So, in your notebooks, first we're going to look at this. Who knows how to long divide? Give me a thumbs up if you know how to long divide. Awesome. So, Kyle, which of these numbers goes in the house? The 351 or the 9?
the 351.
Excellent. And so the 9 goes out of the house, just like that. So, I want you to do this math for your warm-up. Do this math for your warm-up. I'm going to give you a little bit of time.
I don't know how to do.
We're going to do this together. So, everybody eyes on me. How many times does 9 go into 3? How many times does 9 go into 3? Yes, Ani. 0 times. It does not go into 3. So how many times does 9 go into 35? Sean? 3 times. Because 4 is too many. 4 is too many. What is 9 times 3? 27. What do we do here? What do we do, Shiley?
So first you subtract.
So we're going to subtract those.
You subtract 7 from 5. You can't do that. So you regroup.
Exactly. We're going to regroup. The 3 becomes a?
2.
The 5 becomes a?
15. And then
So what's 15 minus 7? What's 15 minus 7, Marcus?
7.
Nope.
No.
What is 15 minus 7? Yes. No, you. Yes, you. Yes. You. Yes. 8. What's your name again?
Leon.
Liana. I have 120 students. I have a hard time. And what's 2 minus 2? Everybody can do this. Say it out loud together.
0.
Awesome. Am I done?
No.
What do I need to do next? Amari. Awesome. And now, how many times does 9 go into 81? Tyson. 9 times. What is 9 times 9, Justin?
81.
81. I do that subtraction again. Hey, what's 81 minus 81? 0. Hey, I'm at the end. Awesome. So our answer is
39.
39. Excellent. Let's look at the next example. This one's a little harder. So I want you guys to try this one. So, let's start this. This one is easy. How many times does 31 fit into 8? Trey. 0 times. How many times does 31 fit into 87, Joey? 2 times. And what is 31 times 2? Yes. 62. Now we have to do what? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. What do we do, Sean? Yes, minus subtraction. Faith, what is 87 minus 62? 25. Excellent. Now what do we do, Urine? We bring down the 8. Excellent. How many times does 31 fit into 258, Jaden? 8 times, yes. And Marcus, what is 31 times 8?
248.
Yes, 248. We do the subtraction. Let's see, yes, what is 258 minus 248? 10. Excellent. Shh. So we have finished our problem. So our answer is 28, remainder 10. Great job, you guys. Make sure you write these down while we're doing it so you have stuff to look back in your notes. In future math, we will be writing with decimals, and we will keep going until the decimal is solved, but not in this math right now. So, one more problem to try as a group. This one will also have a remainder. So we're going to start this one as a group really quickly. How many times does 75 go into 6, Tobias? 0. Next question. How many times does 75 go into 64, Kyle?
0.
0. Awesome. So we know we're already looking at 649. I'm going to give you guys some time to solve. As a hint, I like to do my math by tens to think about it easy. What is 75 times 10? Who likes to do it by tens again? Trey, what's 75 times 10? 750. That's way too big. That's bigger than 649. So I just keep taking away 75s until I get my right answer.
Yeah.
How many times does 75 go into 649? How many times, Amari? It's not 600, but you're on the right track because I know exactly what she's saying. Tyson. 8 times. And Amari, what is 8 times 75? 600. Exactly. That's what she was saying. What step do we do here? What step do we do here, Marcus? Subtraction. Make sure you are taking these notes. Make sure you are taking these notes. This is easy. What is 649 minus 600? Brendan. Well, yes, it's 49. And then what do we do? Sean. We bring down the 3. Excellent. How many times does 75 go into 493? Kyle.
6 times.
6 times. And what is 6 times 75, Tyson? 450. So, what do we get? What do we get when we do the subtraction? What do we get when we do the subtraction, Ani? 43. So we've solved our problem. We get our answer being 86. And what is our remainder, Liana? 43. Excellent. Great job, you guys. Make sure you copy this down.
What's the R for?
Remainder. The R stands for remainder. What you guys are going to do is on page 216, 217, you have to pick 2 problems from A, B, C, and D to do. And you must do problem E. And you must do problem E. I'm going to call up a guest teacher to do problem A. Who would like to do problem A? I saw Liana's hand first. I mean, not Liana. I saw your hand first in the back. Yes. Come up. So. Oops. Works pretty much like a normal. So sit down here. It's okay. So sit down here. And problem A. I'm going to...
Which one is it?
Cool. Don't worry.
It's,
Don't worry, I got it. So, she's going to walk us through the steps. Let's watch our guest teacher. So she puts our dividend inside the house and our divisor outside the house. Perfect.
So 8 times 9 is 72.
So it didn't fit. So we're a little bit off. Hold on. How many times does 8 go into 7? It doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't.
Into 72.
goes 9
It's into
times.
76. There we go.
So 76 minus 72 is 4. And then you bring down the 8. And 8 goes into 48 6 times. So 6 times 8 is 48. You subtract the 0, so the answer is 96.
Who agrees? Yeah? Awesome. Thank you. Who would like to do B for me? Ani, you can come do B. It's right here. She put the dividend inside and the divisor outside. How many times does 16 go into 3?
31, you meant?
Zero
It does
times.
not.
Oh, 0.
Bring down the 6. How many times does 4 go into 36?
Mine. What?
Six,
How many times does 4 go into 36?
You guys pay attention. Leave the class.
16 can fit into 31 one time.
So here?
So we subtract 31 to 16. And then we have to regroup the 3 and the 1. The 1 turns into an 11. And the 3 turns into a 2. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. You bring down the 8.
Awesome.
16 can fit into 158.
Do you remember?
No.
How many times? What do we see?
9 times.
9 times.
144.
Excellent. And what is that? How many is 9 times?
144.
144. Awesome.
And then
And
we
what is
subtract.
158 minus 144?
14.
Awesome. Great job. Who agrees? Thumbs up. Awesome. Thank you. Who would like to do C? Tyson, come up and do C. I know I'm having you.
You
on.
forgot the little table.
So, for C, it's that one.
Oh, super close. This is going to be your homework. This is good. I'm going to talk to you. Right here.
So, walk them through it when we get to it. How many times does 56 fit into 4?
0 times. And 56 goes into 43 also 0 times.
Also 0 times. He's correct.
And 56 goes into 432 7 times.
7 times. And what is 7 times 56? Who knows what 7 times 56 is? Who knows what 7 times 56 is? Tyson, what is it?
7 times 56 is 406. And 406, well, first we have to regroup. And 2 turns into 12.
Excellent.
And the 3 turns into 2.
Awesome.
And 12 minus 6 is 6. And 2 minus 0 is 0. I mean 2.
Perfect.
And then 4 minus 4 is 0.
Awesome. And then what do we do?
And then we bring the 1 down. And 261 minus...
Nope. 56. How many times does 56 go into
56
261?
goes into 261 5 times.
Awesome.
And 5 times 56 is 280, I think.
I'm not sure.
30,
Maybe, yeah.
I think it goes in 7 times, by the way.
7 times.
Let's check our math. Hold on a sec. Oh, yeah, do it. Try 56 times 7.
Could you erase?
That's okay. This is what we do. We check our math.
Oh,
Oops, you tapped on a different thing. It's okay. Hold on. Ready? There you go.
okay.
7 times 6 is not 56.
Oh,
What is 7 times 6?
42.
42. It's okay.
And then
And then 7 times 5. Perfect. So 392, which is over. This is really weird. Okay, hold on.
I got 70.
We're going to start this problem over, and Miss Diaz is going to teach it. That's very okay. So 5 times 7, or 56 times 7 is 392. So what's 2 minus 2? We can say it out loud. 0. Can I do 3 minus 9?
No.
I have to regroup. This becomes 13, and this becomes 3. What's 13 minus 9? What is 13 minus 9?
Out 4.
Perfect. So then we bring down our 1, right? Once again, this is really easy. How many times does 56 fit into 401? Look, this was 392. How many times, Marcus? 7 times. And that's another 392. What's 401 minus 392? Who can just tell me the answer right now? Jaden. Yes, you do, but I'm just trying to save time. What's 401 minus 392? Who knows the answer? Tyson? 9. Yes, if we regrouped, this would become a 3, this would become a 10, then it becomes a 9, then this becomes an 11, blah, 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 0, 0. Exactly. So we get 77, remainder of 9. Excellent. D. Did you finish D? We're going to skip D for right now, and we're going to do E because it's better. So, hold on. To promote its opening weekend, a water park gave the local middle school 1,050 free tickets. The middle school has 350 students. Each student will receive the same number of tickets. How many did each student receive? What number goes in the house? Sophia. 1,050. What number goes out of the house? Yes. The 3 or what goes out of the house? 350. Excellent. Liana, come up here.
Should I start?
Yeah, start. So walk the class through it. How many times does 350 go into 1?
0.
Keep walking the class through it.
350. I mean 350 goes into 0 times. 350 goes into 5.
105.
105.
We're listening. We're active listeners. How many times does 350 go into 105?
3 times. 0. And then
And then how many times does 350 go into 1,050? 3
3.
times. And how much is that?
that's 1,050.
So what is our answer?
3.
Perfect. Our answer is 3. No remainder. We did a really great job on this, you guys. I want you to go to your guided practice. Pick 2 from 1 through 4 and do number 5. If you want to start your homework, you must finish all of the guided practice.